I advise growers to install DryGair units when they want to create better climate circumstances. It's saving energy and it creates better conditions for the plants. Two benefits is first the energy saving, saving on gas, which could be more than 50%. And the second thing is that these two ventilators in top circulate the air, and that creates a uniform climate. We can use DryGair in every cultivation. I say to anybody, if there is problems with humidity, you can put in DryGair units. And the amount of units depends from the crop and the circumstances. With the new way to grow, we mean actually that we want to install layers, screens, one or two depending, but it means maximum energy saving. And then in a combination of LED light and DryGair, dehumidification, we think that is the perfect combination for the future. If you want more information, you can visit our website royalbrinkman.com.